everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today for this fall makeup look that I have right here. So today's look is going to be using Wet n Wild products only. You can purchase these products on Wet n Wild's website and Ulta, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, like any drugstore, like you can find these products. Thank you so much to Wet n Wild for sponsoring this video. All the products that I mentioned will be listed down in the description, and I will be sharing with you guys my top 3 favorite products at the very end of the video. So let's just jump in, and I hope that you guys enjoy this fall makeup look. This is first of many that I will be doing, but this one's very wearable with a hint of purple. First products I want to highlight on, pun intended, is going to be these 2 highlighters. This first one is a loose highlighter, and this is called I'm So Lit. It is so pretty. This is so stunning. Look at that. It is super icy, and I absolutely love it. And then the other one that I'm extremely excited about is the MEGAGLO highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while now, you probably know that Jeffree Star, I feel like Jeffree Star made this highlight really popular by talking about it and showing it, and everyone was running to Walgreens getting these Wet n Wild highlighters. Like, this is my favorite Wet n Wild product that I've ever used. They're absolutely stunning and gorgeous, and it's just like this sheen on the skin, but it's like, oh, it's so metallic and shimmery, but so beautiful. And I'm super excited because I have been loving pink highlighters. I'm gonna apply Blossom Glow on my left side, and then I will do the I'm So Lit on the other side, and then I'll kind of mix them and blend them together so that they don't look totally different. Oh my goodness. I mean, does this need any words? This highlighter is so stunning. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love it. I did actually forget to apply some setting powder before my highlighter, which I always do so that it really adheres to the skin. So what I'm gonna do for my whole face right now before I go in with the other side is I'm gonna apply this PHOTOFOCUS Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. So I actually used this before I did my foundation, and it smells so good. I'm really excited to see what it looks like after. What it looks like on the skin after makeup has been applied. I always like to cover my hair. Little mister on here is really nice. The scent on this is so nice. Like, the rose is not too overpowering. It is like the perfect balance of the rose scent. I'm really excited. I love little small ones because you can travel with these really easy. You can pop them in your purse. Absolutely love the packaging. Love it. So once that kind of dries down just a tad, I'm going to go in with I'm So Lit on the right side. So this one has more of like a champagne sort of finish, and then the other one is a little bit more on the pink side. Oh, I love these swatches. They're so pretty. I need a mirror. Oh my gosh. This is so intense. Okay, hold on. I need a mirror. Oh, wow. I think I might have applied a little too much. So a little bit goes a really long way with this one. But it's okay, we can blend it out. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is insane. I feel like this is really, really intense. So luckily I have a sponge right here. This is my favorite sponge probably that I've ever used. This is actually a Wet n Wild sponge, and I used it to apply my foundation, and it worked really, really well. So since I did like a little too much highlighter, I'm gonna tone it down with this sponge, and it'll just wipe away that excess product. So as pretty and shimmery as that is, I really am more of a fan of this, of the Blossom Glow. It's definitely more my style. But this other one is super pretty. I feel like it'd be really nice on the body too, like if you're wearing a skirt or a, you know, dress. Now that I've toned that down a little bit, I'm gonna go over and mix the 2 of them together just so that my face doesn't look crazy because they're 2 different highlighters. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that I'm So Icy over here. What? Oh, you guys see how pigmented that is? I mean, that's really, really pretty. I feel like you just have to use a tiny bit. You know what I actually would use this for is to like go over just the very, very highest points, like maybe like my nose. Let's see, I'll do a little bit on my nose. And no, I should probably use a smaller brush. Look how like icy this is. Literally, I'm So Lit is the perfect name for this highlighter. Couldn't have come up with a better name myself. I'm so glad that I have the sponge to just kind of blend it out, make sure everything looks really seamless. I'm gonna go and take some more of this Blossom Glow on the other side just to blend it. So I'm just blending both of the highlighters together, making sure that everything looks really nice together. All right, so I think I have enough highlighter to last me for a while now. I'm gonna actually go in and finish the rest of my eyes. I'm gonna be using the VI Purple palette today. The shades in here are so pretty. I've always really liked purple shadows for brown eyes. It really makes them pop a lot. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be like, I'm not gonna go too dramatic today. I'm gonna go kind of on the lighter side, but I love those purples. Like I really, really do. I'm probably gonna stick mostly matte. I might use a little bit of shimmer, but I'm probably gonna stick to the mattes today. I really am trying to do more color in my eyeshadow looks, but I like doing wearable colors. So these colors are so wearable. I love that there's some good transitions in here. And then we have like a good like kind of base. Like I usually like to go over my whole lid with that. And then there's like some pops of color, and I love having a gold. Like gold is just always really good. I love that. All right, just starting with this base color right here. There is no shimmer or anything in there. So I love having a palette that has a good balance of mattes and shimmers, and this one definitely does. It's just a perfect neutral transition shade. So I'm gonna use this transition right here first, using more of a detailed brush for this. This shade is really pretty. It's a nice cooler gray color, but just like that hint of purple in there too, to make sure that it goes really, really well with the other shades in this palette. Just gonna go kind of sparingly at first, work it in there. Just working this into the crease, kind of blending it on the lid a little bit as well. You could just wear this and like do lashes and call it a day. Like, I mean, if you wanted to do something just a little bit more subtle, which I really like a matte eye sometimes, like especially if I have so much highlighter in my face, I don't like to do too much glitter. These are really easy to blend out too. Look how easy that is to blend. I don't have any patchiness, which is amazing. I honestly don't even want to do much more. I really like that subtle smokiness right there. All right, so I'm obsessed with this transition over here, and it's a little bit darker, so I'm gonna take that on this same brush and just pack it on the outer V. Just really lay it on thick, and it's gonna really deepen up this eye look. You could use a smaller brush if you wanted to. This is gonna be like my go-to fall makeup look. It's so stunning. So if you feel like the color went up a little bit too high, then you can always go back with the bigger fluffy brush and kind of blend the crease, make sure it's all blended evenly. This is so pretty. I love these shades. I could wear this eye every day. All right, so I really, really like the way that this is. I was gonna try to do some color, but I think I'm gonna incorporate some color on the lower lash line. So just to complete the upper lid look, I'm going to add just a little bit of highlight to highlight the eye a little bit. I'm gonna go back with this I'm So Lit shade and just take it with a small little detailed brush. Whatever you have will work. And just pop it in the inner corner just to really highlight. You see, it just kind of makes your eyes pop a little bit. Really does complete the look. So once I do like lashes and everything, it just really makes everything pop. I'm gonna take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to add that to the lower lash line. Ooh, yeah, just give like a hint of purple. I'm all about the wearable colors, you know? And just to make the bottom lash line pop a little bit more, I'm gonna take this purple shade, and I'm just gonna stick that on the very center of the lower lash line. If you wanted to make it pop even more, you could spray with the PHOTOFOCUS Rose 3-in-1. So pretty, it's the perfect amount of purple. So after that, I'm just gonna finish off this look with some mascara. This is the Mega Volume Mascara. Love the packaging, I think it's super cute. I love the shade of pink. So let's see what this wand. Here's what the wand looks like. It's a pretty big wand, I would say. And let's just go in. All right, so eyes are all done, and I feel like I got enough volume that I really don't need to wear lashes, and so I'm just gonna keep them like this. But lastly, I'm going to add lip color. This is probably my favorite thing that's going to be in this video. This or either the Blossom Glow highlighter. Those are both awesome. And the sponge, honestly, the sponge is incredible. I love the spray too. Like, honestly, I have so many favorites in this video. But lastly, I'm gonna be finishing off this fall makeup look with the MEGALAST Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. This is super exciting. I love a good lipstick, and these shades are to die for. First shade I'm gonna be showing you is Cedar Later, which is so cute. And then the second shade that I am obsessed with, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be my new favorite nude. Like, it is. And this is called Send Nudes. Oh my gosh, I love the name. It's so cute. Look at this shade, you guys. This is literally the perfect nude color. I'm gonna show you a nice swatch too. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one I wanna use. I love them both. Send Nudes. Oh, I honestly want to wear them both because they're both so pretty, but you guys know that I'm obsessed with just like classic nudes like this, so I'm gonna go with Send Nudes. I was gonna mix them together, but I thought I'd just do one. So I'm just kind of getting the lips ready and going in. It's very pigmented. This is honestly the perfect shade of nude. I'm obsessed. All right guys, so this completes the fall makeup look using Wet n Wild products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name. I almost didn't say that, but I said it. And follow me on Instagram, you guys. I have all of the links down in the description if you guys are interested in shopping or purchasing any of these items. I am obsessed with like everything that I used, but definitely my favorite that I used today is the MEGAGLO highlighting powder, which you guys know I've purchased these and used these before and I love them. And then also the sponge, I will be using this like every single day now. I love that there's a flat surface on there and there's a nice fine tip point, and then this surface is also kind of flat too to really get in there and blend. Let's see what else was another favorite. I know that I had one. And then lastly, the lipstick, the High Shine lipstick and Send Nudes. Y'all, these are my favorite three out of everything that I used. Even though I loved everything, these are my ride or dies. Love them. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.